Good morning to all of you. Now I am going to take mock interview of one of my Maharashtra student for NHB Manager Scale 3 Credit Audit Inspection and Compliance. Already some of the students are enrolled from Kerala as well as Tamil Nadu, Punjab, okay, Maharashtra. Just try to listen the mock and soon you guys will receive the admit card of the interview because this is an experience based interview of the working student. NHB called them directly. Okay, the notification is in November 2024. So soon they will take the interview. Just try to read totally about your work experience and plus NHB. The main motive of interview, they will just check your qualification and they want to take information regarding that. Okay, start from may I come in, sir?
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come.
Good morning, sir.
Very
May I
good.
sit?
Please don't ask can I sit because this seat belongs to you itself. They will give you permission to sit.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Good
may
morning,
I
sir.
come in, sir? Then greet the panel. Yeah, very good morning. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Please don't ask from them. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Akshay Sarode, you are from Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Currently you are working in LIC HFL.
Yes, sir. I'm working as an deputy manager at LIC Housing Finance. Ahmednagar.
LIC Housing Finance. Okay. Briefly introduce
Yes, sir.
yourself firstly.
Hello, sir. My name is Akshay Sharode. I'm from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. I have completed my graduation in BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication from VIT, and I have completed my post-graduation in MBA from MIT Pune. I have a brief experience of about 8 months as a market researcher after completing my MBA. Then I have joined LIC Housing Finance as an assistant manager in the year 2017. I am working there since last 7 years.
Okay, as your application form shows that you are the student of MIT Pune.
Yes, sir.
You have completed your BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication
Yes, sir.
in 2013 from VIT Pune and MBA from MBA in Marketing in MIT Pune
From MIT Pune.
2016.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after BTech, why you want to come? Means why you thought to go for MBA?
Sir, as an engineering graduate, I looked after for some management skills for brushing up my management knowledge. So that's why I choose to be in MBA marketing MBA marketing field, sir.
Okay, in 2016 it is completed and you joined LIC HFL as an currently you are the manager. Currently you are manager.
Yes, sir. Currently, I'm deputy manager. I have joined as an assistant manager.
Okay, join as an assistant manager in 2017. Okay.
Yes, sir.
After 2017, you started your organization with the same, means you joined same company?
Sir, I have a brief experience of about 8 months in a market research company. Then I started preparing for the banking exams, like roughly about 6 to 7 months. And then I joined LIC Housing Finance in December 2017. Yes.
Okay, December 2017.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have mentioned in your resume that for 2016, June to Feb 2017, you worked as a research associate also for 8 months.
Yes, sir.
And earlier than 8 months, you are also, means it's the same maybe.
Sir, it was an, what you can say, internship program.
Okay.
For MBA, where I worked as at an Roda company for 2 months, where I was responsible for channel partner management.
Okay.
In real estate sector only, yes.
Okay. Then you joined as an LIC
Housing Finance.
Housing Finance. Okay. And currently
Yes,
you are handling the credit of LIC Housing Finance.
Yes, sir. Currently, I'm an area manager, like a branch manager in banks, you can say, and I'm handling credit at my office.
Okay. Tell me something about your work profile. What is your work profile currently, Akshay?
Sir, currently I'm looking after credit aspects of the office for LIC Housing Finance as a deputy manager. I look after credit appraisal.
Little bit slow. Rate of speech is too high. Little bit slow. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm looking after credit appraisal for sanctioning the cases in the office. I'll look up to the profiles of the clients that are that are interested to have a home loans with LIC Housing Finance.
Mm-hmm.
That I appraise the loans, I calculate the amount, I look after the profile, I look after the properties, and then I kind of sanction the loan to the client and based to the client as per his needs, as per his requirement.
Okay, okay. I know that you are coming here for NHB Scale 3, okay, and you are also work experiences in LIC HFL.
Yes, sir.
So, firstly, I want to ask you something about NHB. Then I want to ask some question related to your work profile and how it will help you in NHB. So, firstly, tell me about National Housing Bank. What is NHB?
So National Housing Bank was established under the Act National Housing Bank Act 1987. It was set up in July 1988. It was formed under the 12th 5-year plan, 12th 5-year plan of the government. NHB is an organization created to promote the housing finance market in the country. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi, and it has its regional offices over most of the states in India.
Okay. You heard about an index, it is called Residex Index.
Yes, sir. I have heard about Residex.
Tell me something about.
Residex is an indexation where we can track the price variation in the pricing of the housing for a house, for a dwelling unit in top 50 cities. NHB launched the Residex index in the year 2007. Yes, currently it's reported on a quarterly basis, and its stakeholders, mainly it allows the builders, developers, investors, or the buyers, or the housing finance company to track the housing prices in various cities of India, so that whether they can analyze how's the market moving for housing. That's how it helps. There's also another pricing index, that is housing price index, that is released by RBI, but it's limited to only 8 to 9 cities.
Okay.
So it provides an overall overview of the housing market, not a housing finance market.
You know what is home loan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me in one line, two line.
It's a long-term credit provided to the borrower, so as to complete his capital need for owning a house. It's a
Okay.
secured loan for owning a house.
Is there any types of home loan?
Sir, yes, there are types of home loans: individual home loans, non-individual home loans.
Okay.
Individual home loans is taken by individual borrowers. Non-individual home loans are taken by entities. Entities like companies or firms, partnership firms or companies. Yes.
Okay. What is the current home loan rate of your LIC HFL?
So currently our interest rate starts from 8.5%. It depends upon the CIBIL score. It's directly linked to CIBIL score. The higher the score is, the lesser would be the interest rate.
What is the objective of NHB or motto of NHB, National Housing Bank?
The objective of the NHB is to promote the housing finance market with stability in the market, and to with stability in the market, sir.
Okay. Okay. You heard about early warning system of NHB? EWS?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is
The
it?
early warning system was provided in the year 2024 only by RBI and NHB. It provided some signals regarding appraising the loan or post or pre-disbursement, for the post and pre-disbursement of loans, where we can have some signals regarding a case where we can identify that can go into NPA after the disbursement is complete. So there are signals given by RBI, such as check if the documents regarding to the title deeds are fraud or forged. If the income documents are forged. Yes, there are some signals that we need to check pre-disbursement or post-disbursement, so we can avoid a loan.
Means it will help the organization.
Yes, it would definitely help the organization it's a precautionary measure given by the RBI and NHB.
Okay. You heard about REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust, REIT.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is it?
I know the basic definitions, sir. I can brief you. It's a real estate investment trust are basically trusts that can pool money from small investors. A small investor that cannot afford to buy a commercial property for like whose price is high value, like in crores, but a small investor cannot invest in it. So they have fragmented. They have a pool of small investors to invest in a commercial property, and they can also gain from the rental yield of the property. So they
Okay.
are creating a pool of money, buying in commercial property, and that benefit is distributed among all the benefiters of the investors.
What is RERA?
So RERA is an is a regulation act launched by the central government of India. It's a real estate regulation act. It is mainly it was mainly enacted to provide safety for the for the consumers who is purchasing an house real estate house. It secures the buyers from fraudulent activities by the builders. So it is enacted to protect the rights of the consumers. That is the consumer who is buying a housing property.
Okay. You are currently working in LIC HFL and you are having a very good post over there. Then why you are changing your job from, because and you are posted in Maharashtra itself. Okay, some part of Maharashtra itself. We are talking later about the postings. But firstly, tell me why you want to leave this job.
Sir, as a managerial role at NHB, the role would be more impactful, strategy making. I would be more contributing towards the policy making of the housing financial industry. Also, having the ground experience at LIC Housing Finance as an credit manager, I've worked on the ground, so I know the nooks and crooks.
Don't move your hands so much. Just stable this.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
continue.
As I said, sir, I have worked on the ground aspects of the industry, so I know the nooks and crooks, what aspects are to be noted down. So, as an at NHB, my experience at LIC Housing Finance would definitely help me in improving my role more efficiently, sir.
Okay. Suppose we will selected you in NHB and we will posted you anywhere in the India. It's a pan India job, not in the Mumbai, Gujarat and all. Suppose we will posted you in Delhi. It's too crowded, too polluted. We will posted you in the northeast somewhere or NHB branches in all over India. Then how will you manage with the posting?
Sir, posting is not an issue for me, as I know that it's an all over India posting job role. So posting wouldn't be a problem with me, sir. Wouldn't be an issue with me, sir.
Okay. How your this work experience help you in the NHB, because you are currently in loan disbursement, means you know about the loans and all, you enhancing the business of an organization. Okay, means
Yes, sir.
suppose you guys are means LIC HFL staff or manager is selling so much of loan, then the bank means then the organization business is increasing.
Yes, sir.
So how your this experience will help you in NHB, and you know that what NHB do.
Yes, sir. So currently, I'm working as an area manager, also as a branch manager in my office. So as a branch manager, I have learned various skills such as leadership, whether the compliance is being followed in the office as per the guidelines given by the company. Also regarding to grievance related to the customers, also increasing the footfall of the LICHFL within the vicinity of the region. So this has helped me gain some skills that I think for my role at NHB as a manager in credit audit inspection compliance, I can contribute towards the credit policies with my experience in LIC Housing Finance. Also for the inspection and compliance part, I have seen the circulars that have to be checked, that have to be checked while appraising a loan or something. That experience would definitely help me in doing my job in a good way.
Okay, very good. You saw that in NHB it's a little bit broad area because it's a regulatory body. Okay, it's a regulatory body and it's little bit broad area. I know that LIC is also a very big organization, but you know that that housing finance company is regulated by whom?
Housing finance companies are regulated by RBI, sir. Until 2019, it was regulated by NHB. From 2019, it's regulated by RBI.
And supervised by?
Supervised by NHB, sir, National Housing Bank.
And currently RBI is regulating NHB and supervising is done by the National Housing Bank.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me something about types of market risk related to the loan.
So market risk, we can say change in rate of interest,
Yeah.
where the borrowing cost of funds by the housing finance companies increases, and that would be forwarded to the consumers. The risk of the foreign exchange, if there are foreign institutional investors in the company, and if the foreign exchange reserves rate exchange rate increases, then it would also affect the shareholders of the company. The cost of borrowings for the company that have been borrowed from the market, if there is any variation in the price, that would definitely affect the balance sheets of the housing finance company.
Okay.
In short, we can say credit risk. Yeah.
You have gone through the NHB homepage?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any specific schemes or any specific thing you found on the homepage of NHB?
Yes, sir. In promotion and development activities, I have found some schemes, sir, in NHB, on NHB website, sir.
Okay.
Yes. So for promotion and development activities, NHB has been allocated like 10,000 crore rupees for UIDF, Urban Infrastructure Development Fund, by the central government, where it's transforming the infrastructure facilities in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities with the help of the state government. Also, the NHB is looking after PMAY 2.0 Yojana enacted by the central government in the year 2024. And also, sir, also various programs are being conducted by NHB.
Okay. You know about affordable house?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Affordable housing scheme is a scheme mainly for the economical weaker sections of the society, for the population, where they can afford a home. It's launched by Government of India, so as for housing for all scheme, under the housing for all scheme. Yeah.
Tell me something about Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, rural and urban. You know Akshay about it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana rural is mainly provided as an housing assistance, having financial assistance in the rural for the rural population. It's for the rural population, rural region. The maximum amount of subsidy is 1.2 lakh rupees, where the assistance is provided for constructing a Pakka house in the rural areas of India. And
Okay.
sir, for Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana urban sector, there are 4 verticals in it: the affordable rental housing, interest subsidy scheme, affordable housing scheme, and also beneficiary-led construction.
For giving a loans, suppose you are giving
Yes,
a
sir.
loan through a LIC Housing Finance, which are the parameters you have to check? You guys have to check firstly.
So firstly, we look after the profile of the client, the KYC, whether he's salaried or business class. Yes, then we check the credit history. We check the property papers related to as it is a secure loan. We check the property papers the client is willing to purchase or willing to mortgage the house, willing to mortgage. Then, sir, we look after the banking of the applicant.
Okay.
Yes, banking of the borrower. Then we calculate the amount of loan that can be provided to the client based on the credit history and the income levels.
Okay. What is CIBIL score?
So, CIBIL score is a highlight of the credit of the repayment history of the borrower. It shows us a picture whether the earlier loans availed by the client have been paid regularly on time, or whether there were any settlements, or whether there was any default in the payment as availed by the client.
Okay. Suppose you guys have given the home loan or housing loans. Okay. The loan cannot become NPA. So firstly, what you have to do? I know that after NPA, which steps we have to take. But firstly, which step you guys will take to avoid the NPA at the time of giving the loan?
Sir, at the time of giving loan, we would
Eye contact with
be
me.
more.
Eye contact with me. Yeah.
We would be more inclined towards the intention of the borrower, whether the borrower would be intending to repay the whole loan. Yes, while taking the personal discussion, we came across this fact. We consider this fact. Then we can check the banking if the banking has been maintained in a good way, so that the liabilities every month that the client has to pay would be paid on time and regularly. Or else, if we have to secure the loan more in a more secure way, we can put a guarantor in the loan, where the other party is also liable to pay. Other party is also liable to pay in case of defaults by the borrower. Yes.
Okay. We all know that after giving the loan, okay, if a loan became NPA, then there are so much thing to recover for the loan. Okay. But what the things that you guys have to do? Suppose you are sanctioning a loan. Akshay is sanctioning a loan.
Yes,
Okay. Which is
yes,
things in your hand. Okay. Just try to explain it in your hand. Which things are there to go with the people which have taken the loan, and you can talk with them. Means you can just attach with them.
Okay. Sir, first of all, if the loan goes into an NPA after we have provided it, okay, then we look after the reasons why it has gone into NPA. Whether the client has some medical issues, if he has lost some job, he has lost a job, or there is an loss in the business, we get the reasons. Yes, we provide we get the assistance.
Before we can also do that. Suppose before I'm asking before NPA. So when the loan became NPA, then we follow such and such criteria. But suppose we will sanctioning the loan. Okay,
sir.
it's a very good thing to be with a good relationship with the customer.
Yes, sir.
Just sometime timely visit to the customer, that the customer is taken loan for this purpose. Suppose customer is making this. Is the customer is making same thing or not? Means time to time visit with the customer. We are checking customer is taking a loan for this purpose. Is the customer is doing the same purpose or not? Means just connect with the customer after giving the loan. You are getting my points.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just
for this, sir, we are.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Continue. Yeah.
Sir, for this aspect regarding the relation, the connection with the borrower, we take a personal discussion with the customer before sanctioning of the loan. In personal discussion, we ask various aspects regarding to his family, regarding to his dependency, like how many members are.
But after sanctioning loan, you guys have to get in touch with that people so that they feel confidence. Okay, that the person is in means they're behaving like a family.
Okay, sir. Okay, got it, sir.
Got it.
Got it, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. You are coming from LIC HFL to an HB, and after some time you are selected for better job than an HB. Then you will leave this job also.
Sir, I'm interested more into a real estate sector, sir. My father is a civil engineer, and I've also worked, as you can see from my CV, I've also worked in a real estate company called Loda. I've also completed a house construction, like an apartment construction on my own at my hometown. This sector is more kind of interest me towards my goal. So that's why I have joined at LIC Housing Finance rather than a bank.
Okay.
And
what is the business of your branch currently? Total business?
Currently, sir, we have done 80 crores of business for the year 24-25, FY 24-25.
What is the NPA?
Total portfolio. Sorry, sir.
NPA is also there?
Yes, sir. It's currently around 3.5%, sir.
3.5% is NPA.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Some question related to means your family background. You are married?
No, sir. Currently, I'm unmarried, sir.
Okay. Suppose after some time you got married and your partner belongs to means other state, and you have to stay with this organization in the other state, then you will manage this job?
So definitely I would manage my job, sir. Because whether I would ask that person to come with me at the job location, at the posting location.
Suppose she is working in other state, then she is not leaving a job for you, then what will you do?
So we have to manage, sir. We will manage.
Okay, we have to explain this ki, yes sir, I talk with my partner, and I respect her job, she also respect my job, and we will manage. Okay, who is housing and urban minister right now?
Sir, Shri Manohar Lal Khattar ji.
Sri Manohar Lal Khattar ji. Okay, and what about your hobby?
Listening to music and watching documentary movies, sir, are my hobbies currently.
Okay, last movie of documentary, which movie you watched?
Movies, Shawshank Redemption or Inception movie. I like more
From the
than-
last 2 to 3 days, Maharashtra is in the news related to accidents. You know?
Yes, sir.
Which two accidents? In today front page also, and from the last day before yesterday also.
Day before yesterday, I can recall, sir, the accident has caused in Jalgaon. There was a hoax that the fire has been occurred in a train and the people got down.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
the people that got down.
And in today
were,
newspaper, Maharashtra
rushed
related to?
sorry, sir, I didn't read regarding the same. Yes.
Okay, in today newspaper, something there is also happen in Maharashtra. Maybe I didn't remember right now. Okay, but it is in front page of the Hindu. You will just check it. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll definitely check.
There are so many candidates from the banking field, from the other field, those who are qualified people, they are the experienced also. So why we select you? It's my last question for you because already the interview is of 26 minutes. Okay. So my last question for you, Akshay, why we select you over the other candidates?
Preferably because of my interest in the housing industry, and housing finance industry is linked to the housing industry. I repeatedly check around the trends around the housing prices, the number of new project launches. It's in my kind of gut, you can say. It comes from my father, who is also a civil engineer. And as I said, that we have constructed an apartment in Aurangabad. So that's where this sector interests me. And also having the on-ground experience at LIC Housing Finance, I have learned many skills over the years, over the 7 years. And as in working in a housing finance company, which is directly related to the job I'm applying at NHB, that would definitely help me in doing the job better, in a better way and in a aligned way. Yes, so I am a suitable candidate for the job, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to give feedback. Actually, this interview relates to the NHB Scale 3 for experienced person, credit compliance, okay, risk manager and all. So just try to help from this video. If you are interested for any promotional exam, any regulatory body interviews and all, or any higher interviews, my number is 7503235358. Text me. I will guide you, ask you question. I was earlier in Bank of Baroda, resigned from there. Okay, for UPSC exam and all, and Super 50 Gurukul is famous in all over India through online and offline mode. Okay, currently I am in Delhi, Mukherjee Nagar. God bless you all. Thanks a lot.